You have a steady paycheck from your 9-to-5 job, which is fine, but you know deep down that you've always wanted more. More cash, more liberty, more adaptability. So, you finally decide that it is time to act. Welcome to Upstep Financial, where we help you navigate through your financial responsibilities and issues with informational content that range from step-by-step processes or simple financial and business tips. Stick around for more from us. Passive income is rarely genuinely passive. Although it may appear to be easy money, most passive income streams result from hard work, building an audience, optimizing paid ads, and providing a great experience and a superior product. However, as a current or aspiring business owner, you aren't afraid to put in the time to do all of those things, and you may already have all three crossed off your list. Adding passive income streams to your existing business can result in a revenue stream with significantly different underlying economics. These income streams typically have higher profit margins and can scale more quickly than services or physical products, giving you greater overall flexibility in your business. And if you're starting, a high profit margin product can be a great way to build your business and earn money to invest in your next phase, as long as you go in with the understanding that, despite the name, there will be work involved. Begin a drop shipping business. Drop shipping is one of the most profitable passive income streams available on the internet. And since Oberlo specializes in drop shipping, it's an excellent place to start. Drop shipping allows you to find trending products on the Oberlo marketplace and sell them online to customers all over the world. You can sell products in various drop shipping niches, such as fashion, home decor, and beauty. The magic of drop shipping is that you can build your own business and charge whatever you want for the products. Of all the passive income ideas on this list, drop shipping gives you the most control over your earnings. Make a print-on-demand shop. Print-on-demand can be a profitable passive income idea and a way to monetize your creativity if you are an artist, designer, or entrepreneur. Print-on-demand entails working with suppliers to customize white-label products such as t-shirts, posters, backpacks, or books and selling them on a pre-order basis. You only pay for the product after you sell it, which is similar to drop shipping. There is no need for bulk purchases or inventory. Print-on-demand stores are an excellent passive income stream because 1. You can create products quickly and put them up for sale in minutes. 2. Your supplier handles shipping and fulfillment. And 3. Once your store is set up, you can automate many marketing and sales processes. Sponsored Instagram posts. If you enjoy Instagram as much as I do, you should consider converting your scrolling time into posting time to help you increase your passive income. The best part about Instagram is that you can create fan pages for almost anything. Whether you enjoy travel, fashion, beauty, home decor, or something genuinely bizarre like excessive dog grooming, you'll find a devoted following. The key to gaining many Instagram followers is to be highly consistent with the type of content. Make it a point to stick to one niche so that those who follow you can rely on you to deliver more content like that. Make sure to include your email address in your Instagram bio. As your account grows, the number of requests for sponsor posts will allow you to make money on Instagram. The more people who engage with your Instagram posts, the more people will contact you. So make sure to create engaging content. Sell digital goods. Digital products are assets or pieces of media that consumers cannot physically touch. These include files that can be downloaded or streamed, such as Kindle books, templates, plugins, or PDFs. Because of their high profit margins, digital products make excellent passive income streams. You only need to create the asset once, and you can sell it multiple times online. There is no need for storage or inventory. You are free to sell as many digital products as you like. Many creators increase their passive income by selling professional use kits, printable files, and other assets. For example, UX Kits sells personas, flowcharts, and wireframes to help with the design process. The company has sold its products to over 10,000 customers in over 100 countries and continues to do so online today. Deliver online courses. Educators can now sell courses online more efficiently than ever before. Whether it's marketing, illustration, or entrepreneurship, you can create and sell courses with few restrictions. Online courses, like digital products, can be sold repeatedly without the need for inventory or stock. Teaching online necessitates an initial time investment. You'll need to plan your course, record it, and create downloadable assets such as templates for students to take with them. Consider Yigi Saran, the founder of Yigi Beauty. She founded the Yigi Academy after launching an online beauty brand that sold eyelash extension products. Her lash class assists entrepreneurs worldwide in launching their beauty careers by providing both online and on-site training. As an online educator, you have the option of determining the size and length of your classes. If you prefer small groups, you could offer one-on-one tutoring or masterminds. If you prefer large groups, you could provide training sessions and live courses. Don't want to interact with people? Not a problem. You can design completely downloadable courses that students can complete at their own pace. In any case, teaching online is a lucrative passive income stream with low startup costs, just an investment of your time. Purchase a rental property. Real estate investing is one of the oldest methods of accumulating long-term wealth. You can buy and rent out apartment buildings or other real estate types if you have enough money. However, because landlording is a very attractive job, you can hire property managers to manage tenants and collect monthly payments or rent. What if you don't have the capital to purchase entire apartment complexes? Can you still make a living as a landlord? Yes, you certainly can. With a $500 minimum investment, you can use a real estate investment trust (REIT) platform like Fundrise to invest in various real estate assets and earn passively as the assets appreciate. Invest in the stock exchange. Although the stock market has a steep learning curve and can be confusing, it is an excellent way to build long-term wealth. When it comes to stock investments, most people make the mistake of thinking in terms of the short term rather than the long term. The goal of stock investing is to diversify your portfolio while reducing risk. This can be accomplished by investing in exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and high-dividend stocks, which generate income gradually over time. To begin investing in the stock market, you must first open and fund a brokerage account. Offer your videos for sale. If you're always in the midst of drama and excitement, you should take out your phone and record it. This can help you generate some passive income. According to the most recent video marketing statistics, people are obsessed with video content, so you should find an audience for your films. Why? You could sell that video to a news website, and if the video is successful, you can earn money consistently for weeks, months, or even years. Of course, the simplest way to participate is to attend public events such as protests, demonstrations, and festivals. Wherever there is a squabble, there is an opportunity for your content to be sold. And if you're good at creating entertainment content, companies will pay you to make viral videos in addition to offering a cut of the overall earnings. Produce an audio track. Why not put your audio abilities to good use? An audio track can be as simple as a jingle or the intro to a podcast. Making audio tracks for other people's use is a great way to supplement your income, as people are always looking for the right sound to brand themselves with. If you want to create complete songs and earn passive income through royalties, you can license your tracks on a SoundCloud and Audio Socket. All you have to do is research your target audience to see what kind of content is popular. From there, you can quickly begin building your tune portfolio. You never know, it could grow into something bigger. If you develop an interest in audio production, you can experiment with various products, from intros and outros to complete albums and mixing samples. Peer-to-peer lending. Do you have a lot of money that isn't working for you? Consider peer-to-peer lending. P2P lending entails lending money to individuals or small businesses. You could sign up for a website that connects borrowers with lenders, such as Lending Club, Prosper, and Worthy for individuals and businesses to make the process easier. These websites typically host loan requests as well as interest rates based on the borrower's credit history. The interest rate on these loans is generally 5 to 6%. Cashback reward sites. Cashback reward sites such as Swagbucks, MyPoints, and Rakuten enable you to earn money while shopping online. Apart from shopping, you don't need to do anything else after signing up to make money from these sites. The more you shop online, the more points you accumulate, and the more money you can make, the better. To be on the safe side, don't go over your monthly spending limit or max out your credit card to earn a reward. Passive income can significantly boost your earnings and fill in the gaps that your 9-to-5 job cannot. If you want to replace your 9-to-5 income and quit your job, the passive income ideas on this list can help. It's also okay if you enjoy your full-time job. When combined with a 9-to-5 job, the work involved in earning passive income is usually manageable. Yes, you can do both. There is money to be made in all of these areas, whether you want to start a drop shipping store, your agency, or create good content. All you have to do now is get started. it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment your thoughts in the comment section below. Follow us here at Upstep Financial for more financial content. See you next time.